Hello, my name is Emmanuel Peterson. I'm in the game design degree at Full Sail University. Today I'm going to answer some questions about my degree program. What brought you to your initial decision of going into the degree you chose? Well, being a game designer was not my first choice of degree. I wanted to be a game developer for the majority of my life because I love to play video games and I wanted to involve myself in creating a game somehow. So I decided that I wanted to code games. So that's what I started doing. It was fun for some time, but in the early stages of learning how to code, it became boring to me. I preferred to work with more 3D arts, but I couldn't draw at all. So I decided that game design was a great way to bring my visual aspects and my coding aspects together into the career that I wanted for myself. At the end of the day, all I wanted to do was make games more playable and fun for consumers, and that's why I chose the game design program. Who is the program director for your degree program at Full Sail? The program director for the game design degree is Fernando de la Cruz. What type of software and programming languages will you be using in your degree? Well, in my degree program, we'll be using Unreal Engine, Maya, C Sharp programming, C++ programming, and JavaScript. Uh, I'm accustomed to using JavaScript and some C++, but the other softwares are new to me and I'm excited to learn more about them. From your research, what degree skills do you think you would like to focus on and why? I think the most important degree skills I will need to focus on are understanding game levels, understanding level layouts, and knowing how to use Unreal Engine well enough to solve problems that might come across. In order for me to be effective in the game industry, I need to be able to answer any problems that come my way. And knowing the software well enough for me to do that is the most important skill for me to learn. What classes do you think would be the hardest and why? I think my hardest class would be the Project and Portfolio 1 game design class. It will be my hardest class because we will be expanding on the Unreal Engine, so the projects will be harder. But I will learn a lot in this class, and it will be the class that prepares me for the real world in game design. I think I will have to do more independent learning if I want to succeed in this class because I don't think I can get all the information I need to succeed from the lessons. I might need to take time for myself to learn more about the Unreal Engine. What classes do you think will be the easiest and why? I think my easiest class will be one of the classes I am in right now. It's called Design Tools. The premise of the class is to just explain how to use your computer and what softwares and programs you will need for your next classes. I mainly just you see it as a preparation class. It doesn't require too much effort for most of the assignments, other than the ones that work in Unreal Engine 5. How would you go about succeeding in those harder classes? To succeed in my harder classes, I have to make time to do assignments and to learn what I do not know on my own time. If I'm struggling with Unreal Engine, then I need to take some time to learn what I have to so I can be proficient in my assignments. If I feel like it's all about how you spend your time and your intention when you work. So if I can work with passion and timing, I can be successful in my harder classes. How will you break down your time to make sure you succeed in your classes? I will set aside time for all the important things that I need to accomplish, like going to the gym, going to classes, doing homework, going to work, and eating right are just some of the responsibilities that I have to account myself for every day. So, in order for me to stay on top of things, I have to stay to a strict schedule so that I don't fall behind in any of these areas in my life. I can't afford to be distracted and waste time on things that don't really matter because my responsibilities take up my entire day.